Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to save a flight here in the Skyscanner website. You could also do the same on the Skyscanner app. Now, first up, let's just go ahead and find where to go. Okay, for example, this area right here. I'm just going to click on search, select the flight from here. Okay, now select an airline. For example, as you can see here, we have this one from Philippine Airlines and Air Asia. Now, if I'd like to save it, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this heart icon. Okay, got it. Again, save. Okay, another option, if you select this one, for example, and if you have selected the booking partner, for example, trip.com right here, click on book now. Okay, you can easily save this one in your computer by clicking on the bookmark. Okay, save it as a bookmark, hit on done, and here we have the bookmark. Now, the next time you wanted to check it, for example, just click on it, and in here, you'll be able to see the same website. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.